friends, welcome to Shenzhen HR Panda, a regional EAS system manufacturer. Today, I'm glad to introduce our this IF system with the most classical black color advertising board. Usually, many customers buy IF antennas or AM antennas for different retail stores, supermarkets. Actually, we could use it for bookstores. Now on this book, I stick one axis of label. I will show the ridge detection for this IF antenna. For this 4x4 label, the ridge detection could reach about 80 to 100 centimeters on each side of the antennas. So if you want to customize different security solution for your stores, welcome to talk to me. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.